Connie, I'm always me starting. How you to start now? Okay, hey everyone.
This one, sure.
Alright, Sash. Yes, it was.
What's going on in family?
Hey everyone. So today we are at Waterfalls in St. Elizabeth, which is our home parish. Okay, moment of silence as Connie fixes his beard. But yeah, we're just gonna enjoy being in nature today. Take a break off from the hustle and bustle of our everyday lives. And we're gonna take you guys along for the journey. Alright. So this is the gift shop, everybody. You can come in and get shirts, jewelry.
You can get your Rasta locks if you want to lick a Rasta locks.
And you can match me and Connie. I remember when I was here. Socks, keychain, body scrubs, body oil. Decor for your home. You let me advertise for you. Drums. So I finally changed. I don't even know if we're gonna get to go in the water today because it looks like it's gonna rain. But we are gonna walk the trail and take you guys along with us for the journey. You can see all the way up there. Hope you guys enjoy. It's a very long journey. I'm looking forward to it though. Right?
Peace.
Might not even answer my question.
Okay guys, so guess what? We're gonna go ziplining. And they say if we die, them not nothing to do with that. So pray for we here. Pray for we.
Bye. Tell Jaja I love him. Tell my mom I love her.